Hi there, students. Demanding. Okay, demanding is an adjective. We use this word demanding to mean that something is difficult. It needs a lot of attention, a lot of effort, a lot of time. So trying to learn English to a high level is a very demanding thing. It's a very demanding proposition. It's not undemanding. It's very difficult. Looking after young children is a very demanding job. It requires a lot from you. It requires a lot of attention. It requires a lot of energy. Running a marathon is physically very demanding. Some jobs are physically very demanding. They require a lot of physical effort. So a task that is demanding, it requires a lot of skill, a lot of effort. It's difficult, it's challenging, it's testing, it's taxing, it's exacting, it's tough, it's hard. So she has a busy and very demanding job. You could also describe a person as demanding, somebody who makes other people work very hard to meet their high standards. So he was a very demanding child. He didn't sleep much and was always nagging, clamorous, insistent, keeping his parents awake. So if somebody's demanding, you could also say that they are picky. He's a very demanding boss. He requires a lot for you. He has very high standards that are not easy to satisfy. Okay, so he is an exacting boss, exacting customers, demanding customers. The customers are very demanding. They want things to be exactly perfect. They've got to be in exactly the right way, and that's why they are demanding. Okay, so a demanding boss, a demanding course is very difficult to complete. A demanding environment, for example, the South Pole is a very demanding environment. It's very cold, it's difficult to survive there. The desert is a demanding environment as well. A demanding profession. I think, for example, being a professional sportsman is a very demanding profession. A demanding role, this is a role that requires a lot from you. A demanding schedule where you've got to go to many different places one after the other without stopping. Yeah, and this is a demanding schedule. Okay, so a demanding job or a demanding task requires a lot of energy. Yeah, I could no longer cope with my demanding job. People who are demanding are not easy to satisfy. They're not easy to please. Yeah. Okay, so they are very picky. They demand the absolute best. So maybe we ought to look at the verb to demand while we're at it. To demand, to request forcefully. I demand to see the manager. Okay, the bank is demanding payment of the loan, to claim a right. I demand an explanation, to ask for very forcefully. This job demands a lot of patience. It requires. Okay, so demanding. Okay, I think this is not practical. It's just too demanding for one person to do it. A very demanding schedule. Okay, a demanding career. Physically demanding. Okay, a demanding job, something that's not easy to do. Okay, so demanding, difficult, exacting, hard, tough, arduous, onerous, strenuous, etc. Okay, so demanding, 5 informality, use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, from the verb to demand, which comes from French demander, from Latin demando. Okay, I entrust, mando, to send or to order. So I think to demand. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Demanding.